Let's have a look inside. Screws under there. Okay, we can see that battery terminal there is soldered directly onto the board there. And then that battery terminal is the red one going into there. But there's nothing obviously wrong there. I'll do a close-up of the board. I expect that will just lift off, yeah, so we can actually see the connector, the switch. I'll do a close-up of the circuit board. There's some dirty black looking bits in there. Some sort of corrosion, isn't there? Oh yeah, there's quite a lot. Oh dear. There's even one bubbling at the moment. Right in the middle there. R2, R1, R2, there's bubbles appearing next to it. That does not look good. Well, I'll clean that, but I think, yeah, there's quite a bit of corrosion in there, isn't there? That transistor down the bottom there. Transistor, that says D2 next to it, which I would have thought was a diode. There's quite a few bits there that don't look very healthy. Well, I've given it a clean, but I don't think that's helped. I don't know why that transistor's got D2 written next to it. That's got to be a transistor. We've got 4 transistors there, which will be in the H bridge for running the motor. As I say, I think it just goes, it reverses it, so it goes forwards and backwards, or sends the motor forwards and backwards, which makes the legs go left and right. It even tells us what those transistors are. 8050 and 8550. Wonder if we can actually see that. No. Yeah, where's a pointy thing? Right, that one doesn't look very healthy at all. That looks very corroded on the contacts. That resistor there looks very suspect. This looks odd over here. Sort of black muck just there. Oh. Well, the only way we can go any further on this will be to desolder that tag there so we can lift the circuit board off the battery box. That wire there going to the speaker has just dropped off. So I'm guessing that's corroded and it's dropped off the back of the tags. There's a good chance we haven't got a good contact here with this wire. So yeah, I think we'll have to make a separate video, desolder that and have a look at the back of it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.